Number 2, cos inverse root 3 upon 2 is equal to cos inverse. Now we know very well, instead of root 3 upon 2, it is cos pi by 6. So that is cos pi by 6. We are getting pi by 6. Number 3, cosec inverse 2 is equal to cosec inverse sin pi by 6 1 upon 2. So cosec pi by 6, it is 2. We are getting cosec inverse and cosec will be cancelled. We are getting pi by 6. Number 4, tan inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x is equal to, here same property, minus tan inverse root 3 is equal to minus tan inverse. Instead of root 3, we can write tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3. So tan pi by 3, it is root 3. Tan inverse and tan will be cancelled. So minus pi upon 3. Number 5, cos inverse minus 1 upon 2. Here cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So we have to write pi minus cos inverse 1 upon 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse. Instead of 1 upon 2, we can write cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3, that is 1 upon 2, is equal to pi minus cos inverse and cos, they will be cancelled, pi upon 3. Our answer will become 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2 pi upon 3. Tan inverse minus 1. So again, tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x is equal to minus tan inverse 1 is equal to minus tan inverse. Instead of 1, we can write tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4, that is 1, is equal to minus tan inverse and tan will be cancelled, minus pi by 4. Sec inverse 2 upon root 3. Sec inverse, instead of 2 upon root 3, we can write sec pi by 6. So sec pi by 6. Sec inverse and sec will be cancelled. We get pi upon 6. Cot inverse root 3. Here cot inverse. Cot pi by 6, that is root 3. So instead of root 3, we write cot pi by 6. We get pi by 6. Cos inverse minus 1 upon root 2. We know very well cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So cos inverse, here it will become pi minus cos inverse 1 upon root 2. Pi minus cos inverse. Instead of 1 upon root 2, we have to think what we can write. So that is cos pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 1. 3 pi by 4. Cosec inverse minus root 2. Cosec inverse minus x is equal to minus cosec inverse x. So is equal to minus cosec inverse root 2 minus cosec inverse. Instead of root 2, we can write pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4. So cosec pi by 4 minus cosec inverse and cosec will be cancelled, pi by 4.